Here's how to organize any space in your home quickly and effectively. First, clear it out. Whether it's a tiny cupboard or a huge garage, get everything out. It's important to start with an empty space so you can visualize how you want everything to look when you're finished. Second, clean it up. Now that everything's cleared out, it's time to clean that space because, let's be honest, it's probably been forever since it was wiped down. Third, it's time to sort your stuff. Before you start putting anything back, make 4 piles of all your things. Keep, donate, trash, and put away. And before you go any further, take care of each of these piles, like right now. Once your keep pile is all that's left, organize each item and put them back in their designated spaces. The fourth and final step is to style your space. This is the time to put everything back and make it pretty. And that's it. 4 easy steps to organizing any space.